Okay, let's do one more problem together. 6,000 divided by 50. Now this time what I want you to do is rewrite it as a multiplication problem only. 6,000 is equal to 50 times what? Well, when I'm looking in my product or my total, I try to think, what can I find that 50, a multiple of 50? Can I find, or a multiple of 5? Can I find a multiple of 5 in here? Well, 60 is probably the closest one I have. If I did my multiples of 5, I know that 60 would be the 12th multiple because 12 times 5 is 60. So I'm going to put my 12 here. 12 times 5 is 60. And what did I say about my zeros? My zeros have to be equal on both sides of the equal sign. So I have this 0 taken care of because that's 5. 12 times 5 is 60. But I have 2 more zeros. Okay, well, I have 1 taken care of here with the 50. So I'm going to cross this one out. Well, I have 1 more left, which means I need to add it to my 12 to make 120 times 50 equals 6,000. So we know that 6,000 divided by 50 is 120.